Okay, I'm going to get help. So just stay here with Kaylee and Sue, okay?
I'm sorry. I don't know what happened.
It's okay.
Hey, you guys, set up the sleeping bags and the tents right now. And sleep in shifts so that one of you is awake with him at all times. And stay safe and warm. You guys need to work together. And I'm coming back for you, okay? You've got this.